Who is Pio Valenzuela? Pio Valenzuela was Filipino physician, revolutionary leader, and patriot Valenzuela City. He was part of Katipunan, the secret society fighting for Philippine independence from Spanish colonial rule, alongside Andres Bonifacio and Emilio Jacinto. Valenzuela City. Valenzuela played roles propaganda, publishing, kalayaan, and organized chapter of the Katipunan. He was deeply involved the event leading up to the Philippine Revolution. What is a cry Pugadlawin? Cry of Pugadlawin refers to seminal moment in Philippine history. August 1896, when member of Katipunan tore up their cedulous residence certificate as an act of defense against Spanish colonial authority. It is a symbolized the decision for revolt Valenzuela City. There are multiple versions where exactly to the event took place and even what time dates say Macon Pugadlawin. Others say Balintawak. One big reason confusion is the Pio Valenzuela himself. Different account at different times early on Valenzuela appearance said event happened in Balintawak on August 26, 1896 under oath. In investigation later in this moment, he said in happened Pugadlawin August 23, 1896. Same historical accepts Valenzuela's later version with Pugadlawin, especially because was supported by him and other witness. Other prefer earlier testimonies or corroboration from more than source National Historical Commission. Because this there no universally agree upon the location dates, the event remains symbolic and subject interpretational levels. Cry Balintawak of Cry of Pugadlawin or the Cry of Caloocan are used depending which version one follows. The Cry of is the trigger moment, Philippine Revolution, a turning point when many Filipino formally decide revolt is through historic cases, recommendation in monumento, etc. Pio Valenzuela role is important. The Katipunan leader his account helped shape is the moment remember Valenzuela City.